Oh man, it's a bit cold, a bit foggy outside, you know, gloomy because of the weather. And yeah, coming had to drive very, very slow. But the good thing is MX24, Mxlive, we make sure we brighten your day in every way possible, you know, from our sports shows to our news, you know, our morning shows to Mxlive, and every other platform, you know, and every other way we express the content we put out. That's our job. And if you want to be part of what we're doing, very, very simple, MX24GH, every single platform. The hashtag is Mxlive, makes it easier to find us and stay interactive. So send us messages, ask us questions. From now to 4 p.m., we're going to stay as interactive as possible, from the music to the guests to the questions to the interviews and everything else. So guys, quick commercial break. We'll be right back.
Morning star, who know like better things? I got my eyes on you. Baby, you look so fine, you got to knock me. Hey, I wanna make you mine. African girl so fine, I wanna make you mine. Oh, I got skills like a Messi. Your kisses give me vitamin C. Like a Messi, killing me, baby, yo. I got skills like a Messi. Your kisses give me vitamin C. Like a Messi, killing me, baby, yo. I love the way you flex. I'm in love with your specs, yo, baby, yo, yo, yo. You got me so perplexed. I'm in love with your specs, yo, baby, yo. Holy boy, I'm naughty. Small by danger, I'm so mighty. I can hit it clean, baby, I can do dirty. Your body sexy. Girl, you get to magic. I can't stand on my feet. When I see your body, I cannot resist. Only if you ginger me body. Man, I offset be my cardi. Baby, miss if I would done on mommy. If I would done on mommy. I love the way you feel.
Wow, very clean video, clear video, catching a vibe to. So I have the man in the studio, you know, when it comes to MX24, Mxlive more so, we're all about supporting artists, you know, who've been doing it for however long they've been doing it, because music is music, you know, artistry is artistry, and the biggest acts, your favorite artists, you know, started from a certain point to where they are now. So we always have to support, we have an obligation, I believe, to support artists no matter where they are in their journey. And today, I have Crystal in the studio.
Yeah.
How you doing, man?
I'm cool.
Nice video.
Thank you.
That's a really, is that your first video?
No, that was my second
video.
Yeah, second video.
Okay. Again, welcome. It's very good to have you. I've heard some of your songs. We're going to get to another one of your songs as the show goes on. Yeah. But how you doing, man? How you doing?
I'm cool.
You're cool?
Yeah.
Nice one. I see hair change. How long ago was that video?
This video was like 8 months ago.
8 months ago?
Yeah.
Wow, and he's got new hair.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have Crystal in the studio. We're going to get to know him, his music. If there's anything you want to ask him, if you know him, if you want to support him, MX24GH, again, every single platform. The hashtag is Mxlive. Makes it easier to find us. Crystal, what's the real name? I'm assuming Crystal's not the real name.
Yeah.
What's the real name?
My name is your boy Bismarck.
Okay, Bismarck. Nice one. Where's the Crystal from?
I'm from Tuobodom.
Okay, that's where you're from.
Yeah.
Where's the name Crystal from?
Crystal was given to me by SHS, my school father. He said the way I sing, the way my voice is as clear and then as crystal.
Oh, okay. Then he must be pretty proud of you. Do you guys still talk?
Yeah, we still
you still talk?
Yeah,
wow. Yeah. When you win that Grammy Award, you have to take him on stage, man, because, you know, he's part of the inception of you as an artist. So you said something about school just now. Are you still in school? Are you done? And if you're done, how long have you been done for?
Okay, I'm waiting for my graduation. I completed Valley View.
Oh, Valley View Uni.
Yeah.
Okay, how was that experience?
It was cool. It was cool, yeah.
Was it tough? Was it easy?
It was tough. It was tough.
Is it because you were balancing the music and the schooling, or were there other things that came into play?
Okay, I combined the music with the school. Yeah, so that makes it tough. That makes it a lot of.
Okay, how does family feel about the fact that you make music? Are they supportive?
Initially, they were not in support.
Oh, I know the
what
feeling.
I was doing, yeah. they just want us to concentrate on the education. Yeah. But I tried, and then I combined both the music and the school.
Okay, and it's working out. Okay, so give or take, how many years in music so far right now?
3 years.
3 years. How's the journey been so far? Has it been easy? Has it been difficult? Was it everything you thought it would be?
No, there's nothing like easy anyway. Yeah, it's very, very, very tough. But I just keep my head up and then keep doing what I can do.
What are the tough parts of the music industry? Because, I always say, people see the videos, they see the fashion, the swag, but a lot of work goes into what we do, right?
Yeah.
What are some of the difficult parts of this journey so far?
Okay. The number one factor is finance, getting the right people to, inject finance into your music. It's very hard to find.
Has that happened now? Do you have that finance? Do you have that support now?
Right now, I have the support.
Oh, you have the support?
Yeah, I have the
Is it in terms of, an investor? Is it a record label? How does that work for you as an artist?
Yeah, I have someone investing in me. I have a label. Right now, I have a label that I'm on.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Like a lot of artists, I speak to, young guys and girls, they're like, they need a record label. They want someone to support them. And rightly so. There's nothing wrong if you get someone to support you, right?
Yeah.
What you have to do is put the work back in. What do you think your record label saw in Crystal that made them want to work with you? Was it the talent? Was it the hard work? Was it the diligence? Was it the humility? What was it about Crystal that made your record label want to work with you, do you think?
Okay, I think it's about my talent and then the music. Yeah, because no one would like to invest in something that will not yield results. Yeah. So I think it was my talent. Yeah.
And how's the journey with the record label been so far?
Okay, we started working like 9 months ago.
Oh, not too long now.
Not too long.
Oh, wow.
So
okay.
we are on the course of building something special.
Okay. And I'm assuming you have to put a lot of work in because, again, when I'm talking to a lot of people, a lot of conversations I hear on radio, people always blast the record labels and the investors, right?
Yeah.
And again, it's a business. As much as there are relationships involved, it's a business. So the artists also have to do their part of the work.
Yeah.
Would you say you're working harder now, the fact that you're on record label? Are you more relaxed? Because record labels also have to do their part.
Yeah.
How has the dynamics changed from when you didn't have a record label to now having a record label?
Okay, when I was without a label, I was putting in a lot of work. And right now that I have the label, I have to work much harder because right now someone is investing.
Yeah.
And then I want to reach the place.
It's good that you recognize that, right?
Yeah.
It's very, very good that you recognize that. Okay, so now the music. What genre of music are you focused on? Reggae, R&B, hip hop? What's your favorite genre?
Afrobeat.
Afrobeats.
Yeah.
Everybody's killing the Afrobeats right now. Why Afrobeats? Was that always the thing for you back in the day?
Back in the day, I was doing high life.
Oh.
But then I thought I was doing high life, but then someone sat me down and told me I was doing Afro high life.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So it seems like you were just making music because you loved it.
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, so you thought you were doing high life. Okay, now, Afro high life, Afro beats. Is there a point in your career where you think you like to give a little bit of attention to high life too? Because also we always hear them say, "Oh, artists are not focusing on our high life. We're diverting to what the masses want."
Yeah.
Is that something you like to focus on moving forward?
Yeah. I have an EP coming up.
Oh.
Yeah, the Gods and the Men EP. And then
The Gods and the Men.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a nice name.
Yeah, and then I have the high life tunes in there.
Okay, a couple of high life tunes.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you, when you're dropping this new music, right, are you like sometimes scared of the response? Because, again, Afrobeats is something everybody's focusing on, right? But we can't forget what makes us us, the high life. So are you like skeptical? Are you hectic about the music you're going to drop, the high life music? Or you're like, nah, I'm just going to drop it? How do you deal with that?
Sometimes when I'm dropping, there's a little bit of fear.
Okay.
Sometimes, what are people going to say about it? But then sometimes I realize that all those talks, negative, positive, they make up
I like
the
that.
artist. Yeah.
I like that. They do make up the artist. You said you're from Tiabodom.
Yeah.
how has the hood responded to you as an artist? You know, being on all these platforms and these interviews and this music.
Okay, I started doing proper music there. Oh. So everybody is in support.
Oh wow! Yeah, I'm sure in the hood you're a star, right?
Yeah.
Hey Charlie, I need to go to his neighborhood, man.
Yeah.
He be killing it there. Okay. From what I'm hearing, okay. Personally, right? How has your growth as an artist been? Because, you know, sometimes we listen to our old songs and we're like, so did I make this music? Did I actually look like that? But it's all part of the journey. There's nothing wrong with growing. For you, how have you grown? And are you happy with your growth so far?
Yeah, I'm very happy with my growth because when I started, I was doing all kind of genres, hip hop, and then a couple of R&B. Yeah, so sometimes when I sit down to listen to the couple of songs that I did make in the I feel like
that's a good thing, you know. Like every artist, you know, feels like that at some point. You know, you're like, did I actually do that? But you know, that's a good thing. Now it seems like with growth comes, you know, meeting people, working on songs, and you work with Strongman.
Yeah.
You know, I was talking to my producer, but that's big. I mean, how did that come out? Did you send him a DM? Did your record label do that? Are you guys friends already? Because Strongman, right? That's huge.
Yeah. Okay. So I recorded the intro, the song.
So that's what it's called.
Yeah, I recorded it like 2 years ago, and then Apia was the producer. He's the producer.
Okay.
So he told me that I have to get Strongman on this song. Oh. Yes. So I spoke with Apia, and then Apia spoke with Strongman. And then I sent him the song. He listened to the song and said, "Oh, it's cool."
Was that simple?
Yes, simple.
Man, you're blessed.
Thank you.
You know, Charlie, that's the nice thing. Introtrade.
Yeah.
I mean, you explained it to me off air. Yeah. But please, for those who don't know, what does it mean?
Introtrade is like, we all want something. We want money, we want love, we want something special. So in the process that we are looking for what we need, that process is called Introtrade because we are struggling. So before you get what you want, the hustle is Introtrade.
I like that. I like that a lot. I like that. And I was telling you again off air that Charlie, then Introtrade, they really day inside.
Yeah.
Because right now they're struggling to be easy.
Everybody wants something, yeah.
Right? Yeah. Okay, so you have the song called Strongman on it. There's a video out.
Yeah.
It seems like it's making a lot of noise. Yeah. How's the response been, you know?
The response is very positive. Yeah.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's really going. It's
nice.
Going.
This guy's working. Okay, so let's check out this music video. Kindly introduce it, man, and let's check it out.
Okay.
Kindly introduce it.
Okay. She give me life, yeah. I can't deny, yeah. Oh.
Disappear on the day, It's crystal, baby, yeah. She give me life.
I know your videos, man. I need to be in his music videos. I need to go out with this guy because like he's got all the nice girls. What's going on? Charlie, nice video. Is that a true story? Yeah. Don't lie to me, man. Now we're brothers, so I need honesty. Is that a true story? Is that for Crystal's special someone?
No, it's for everybody.
Hey,
everybody out there.
Yeah. Okay. And I have to big up Strongman too, you know.
Yeah.
The way he flowed on the song, you know, nice video. Who shot the video? Who shot the video?
Kobe Shots.
Oh, that's a nice, very simple video. So moving forward, now you work with Strongman again as artists. Yeah. People always want to see us elevate and continue working with artists like Strongman. Who would you love to work with moving forward?
Okay, I like to work with a lot of people. I like to work with every artist. I like to work with Sako there, Strongman, Kevin Boy. I like to work with you also.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Manager's in the background.
Yeah.
Manager, please let's hook something up. And I'm actually going to the studio today. Okay. I really love to work with this guy because you know, you really have a plan for yourself. I love, you know, the humility. And talking about the plan, what are your future plans? You know, is it more music? Is it more touring? More videos? What's the plan for you, Crystal?
Okay, we will continue to do more music. Yeah. And then I pray that my music gets to where I'm praying that it needs to get to.
Amen. I like the fact that you said prayer. Are you spiritual?
Yeah, very spiritual.
Yeah, that's good. Please keep praying, man. Yeah. Trust me, especially in this business. Don't play with prayer, man. Yeah. Is there anything you'd like to add? You know, any shouts you'd like to give?
Okay, I would like to thank everybody out there, especially my Chiwadon people. Yeah. And I'd like to thank everyone. Ubuntu, yeah. The man has been doing a lot of work for me. And then my brother Prince. And then Mike G is also around. Dume, Silas, Chile Montana, everybody out
Charlie, see the names, oh, bad boy, see the names. Krista, again, I'm very proud of what you're doing. I hope I get to speak to you some more moving forward. And you know, whenever the team gets music, please send me a beat. Let's do something.
Yeah, I'll send you something.
Yes. So shout out to Crystal. Please
you have to be on my EP.
Yeah, I would love to. I'd love to. You know,
so
this is what it's about. This is what it's about. You know, appreciating young artists, and I also want to big up your team. Okay. You know, please keep them in mind and moving forward, because these are the people that hold us down with whatever we're doing. Yeah. And find his music. So it's on YouTube and every platform, right?
Yeah, YouTube and all the digital platforms.
Okay, and if anyone is looking for music, do they search for Crystal? Because I saw Crystal Morningstar.
Yeah, Crystal Morningstar.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so they can find you everywhere.
Everywhere.
Okay, please find him. Please support him. This is what it's about. And I'm not leaving you just yet, but we are leaving with his music. We'll be right back. Stay tuned in.
I keep hearing voices within it, asking me, do I trust and believe? Better is Hanira, Kisera, Sera. We're not giving up, brother, no giving up, brother. Ozzy, Hosanna getting nearer, Hosanna getting nearer. Ozzy, Hosanna getting nearer, Hosanna getting nearer. But I have voices in my head telling me to surrender. If I should surrender, what I go chop my brother. In kitty, catch many days, but we'll never say never. Negative thoughts in my head say make I just take Sakawa. Many things my eyes have seen, but more no to do complaining. I got wounds on my body, I'm healing. Spiritually battles I'm facing. With a trap in the bando, with a fire like taekwondo. Wrestling in a commando, then go see we fall a show. Oh, I keep hearing voices within it, asking me, do I trust them? Believe. Better is Hanira, Kisera, Sera. We're not giving up, brother, no giving up, brother. Ozzy, Hosanna getting nearer, Hosanna getting nearer. Ozzy, Hosanna getting nearer, Hosanna getting nearer. No be everyday tables they change, sometimes get up and change your seats. What you call your home is cause some homies tend to zombies. Vampires on the roof they walking, for your blood they wanna be sucking. I pray you know you joking, where they sing melodies to kill our sorrows. Axe busy, we stand 10 toes. I realize we don't fold, D2 they'll speed on their road. Better days are getting nearer, hear the best singing Hosanna. Talk to me, oh destiny, talk to me, I'm listening. Hearing voices within it, asking me, do I trust them? Believe. Better is Hanira, Kisera, Sera. We're not giving up, brother, no giving up, brother. Ozzy, Hosanna getting nearer, Hosanna getting nearer. Ozzy, Hosanna getting nearer, Hosanna getting nearer. But that are voices in my head telling me to surrender. Hosanna getting nearer, Hosanna getting nearer. In kitty, catch many days, but we never say never. Hosanna getting nearer, Hosanna getting nearer.